Today we've got a tale about a small but mighty movable drinks and food business.
Buckle up folks, because it's going to be a tasty ride. Giovanna here in her classic 1975 BMW.
A car as cool as her drinks.
Hey friends! Enjoy the movie.
Fresh food and drinks, ready to roll.
And on wheels the sign, International of People and Disability. Food's flying high, just like our dreams.
Hey, hot air balloons, drinks, and food. Oh, an ostrich racing our food truck.
And a girl running the other way. Everyone wants a piece of the action.
Race is on, and it's neck and neck.
Who will win, the ostrich or the girl?
A frenzy of food and drink flavors.
The ostrich still in the lead. Notes being taken, cars zooming by. It's a bustling business.
People helping themselves to the delicious offerings. A boy running ahead, a parachute coming down. It's like a circus out here.
The yellow car again, making its grand reappearance.
The police are on the chase. Siren not working fine. Ha, ha.
And an old man. Quite the character.
Her drinks are something to taste.
Always something fresh cooking up in Giovanna's business.
Happy birthday to you.
Now, we've been on quite a journey with her amazing nutritious homemade drink business. Surprise!
That is the little secret. Her delicious drinks. Also, that is Giovanna's birthday.
It's a celebration. Happy birthday, Giovanna.
The business will continue tomorrow. We have to go to sleep now. Thank you for watching.